If you are planning to apply for cruise ship jobs this year, stop just for 1 second, because most people don't know this. You can actually earn from the cruise industry without working on a ship, without being away from your family, and without contracts that lock you away for 6 to 9 months. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how that works step by step, and by the end, you will know if this is better path for you. Let's go. Look, I get it. Cruise ship job sounds amazing on a paper. Travel the world, meet new people, steady paycheck, food included, and adventure. But here's what nobody tells you before you sign that contract. You sacrifice your time, your family misses you, your health takes a hit, your kids grow up without you, and after 10-15 years doing this, most people feel burnout and wonder, was it worth it? I'm not saying cruise ship work is bad. I'm saying there is a better way most people never even hear about. And that's what we are covering today. Let's be real about 2026. Cruise ship jobs are harder than ever to get. Thousands of people applying for the same positions. Lower starting salaries than before. Contracts rotating constantly. Less time off between shifts. Work conditions that are mentally and physically draining. Zero job security. You are basically replaceable anytime. And if you are Filipino, Indian, Indonesian, European, African, it doesn't matter. You are competing globally against thousands of other people just like you. But here's the bigger problem. Even if you do get hired, you're gone most of the year. Your relationships suffer, your health suffers, your time is controlled by someone else. And the money? After taxes, housing costs, and time away, it often doesn't feel worth what you are giving up. I want to show you something different. Here's what's interesting. Most people only see cruise ships in two ways: work on board or spend big money as a guest. But there is a third option almost nobody talks about. It's how thousands of people right now are earning with the cruise industry, from home, using only a phone with flexible time. Let me show you how it works. Here's the part most people don't know. You can earn with the cruise industry without selling cruises and without being a travel agent. The company doesn't pay you for bookings. They pay you for referring people into a membership that helps them travel smarter. There is an international travel club with partnerships across the world's biggest cruise lines and tens of thousands of hotels, resorts, and tours worldwide. And instead of hiring more staff, they do something smarter. They allow normal people like you and me to become partners, not employees, not travel agents, partners. Here's what that means in real life step by step. So, step 1. You talk to people, spend 30-40 minutes per day doing what you already do. Messaging friends, talking to people who love travel, connecting with people on Instagram or Facebook, social media basically. Sharing your story or your travel goals. You don't sell vacations, you simply talk to humans. Step 2, you share the membership, something that actually helps people. This is the heart of it. You show people how to save hundreds on cruises, save on hotels and resorts, and collect reward points monthly. Travel with real whole style value. Take more holidays without overpaying. Build a better lifestyle around travel. You can share your own savings, screenshots, a quick comparison, short video, simply PDF. Your job isn't to sell, your job is to help people travel smarter. Step 3, they join as members. This is the only place income is generated. They become members. You don't get paid when they book a cruise. You get paid when they become members. Once they join, they immediately start collecting reward points, unlock member-only pricing, and access cruises, hotels, resorts, and tours. Save money every year. Travel more often than before. And some people join instantly. Some ask questions, some take a week. You simply guide them and keep the conversation human. Step 4. The company pays you referrals, not bookings. Here is what people usually get confused. You are not earning from bookings. You are earning from memberships referrals. You receive direct referral bonuses, residual monthly income, team bonuses as your group grows, leadership bonuses, and once your turnover is around $500, over $500 per month, your membership is waived and can be covered accordingly to the company's current plan rules. This is why the business works, because it's simple: help people earn income, travel more, inspire more people, and grow. And here's the cool part: when you travel and share your photos or videos, the company doesn't pay you cash for posting, but they reward you with recognition, reward points, and more interest from people, which leads to more referrals. Your travel becomes your marketing, your lifestyle becomes your story, and the company supports that story with a real financial plan. You might be thinking, Miro, is this actually realistic? Yes, here's why. Travel is exploding right now. Cruises are booked months in advance. People are spending more on holidays than ever. Families want experiences. Friends want group trips. Couples want romantic getaways. People are already spending money on travel. You are simply the person introducing them to a better way to do it and getting paid for it. And here's the best part: you don't need to be an expert and you don't need to be a travel agent. You don't need experience. You just need a phone, internet, and willingness to talk to people. 30-60 minutes per day, it's up to you. You already do 90% of this when you are scrolling Instagram or messaging friends. Except now, you actually get paid for it. I know not everyone loves sending direct messages. Some people are busy, some are working 2 jobs, some are introverted, and some are just tired. Here's what I do. I hired VA, virtual assistant, or freelancer to handle outreach, sending messages, starting conversation, booking calls, etc. But if you don't have money for virtual assistant, you can use AI. Tools like ChatGPT and Vision Mode can help you write messages, find prospects, answer typical questions, organize your follow-ups. So no matter where you are right now, there is always a way forward. No excuses, no barriers. Plus, I will share everything what I do already. Let's be honest here, no ranks, no complicated charts, just real possibilities depending on your effort. For extra earners, from 10 to 20 minutes per day, we're talking about $300 per month. That's a perfect for side income while working another job. For part-time focused, from 1 to 2 hours per day, we're talking about $1,000 per month. That's basically for building real momentum. And then serious builders, from 2 to 4 hours per day, it's from $2,500 per month, going up to 6 digits. Full-time income or beyond. Some earn more, some earn less, just like any business. These are example ranges and not guarantees. What you earn depends entirely on your effort, skills, consistency, and the size and the activity of your team. But here's what makes this different. You are not away for 9 months at the sea, you don't miss birthdays, and you don't miss your kids growing up. You don't sacrifice your health or mental state. You build something that grows with your life, not something that takes you away from it. Once your business grows a little, something really cool happens. Your cruises can be covered through the reward points and benefits you receive. This means you travel more, you save thousands, you bring your family, your vacations are basically covered. Imagine this: instead of working on a ship, you are the one who enjoying the ship, pool, food, shows, gym, sunset views without needing to work for it. You are no longer behind the scenes, you are the guests. That's the dream right there. Let me make this real for you. My first cruise was from Southampton. We visited Lisbon, Vigo, Ibiza, Sicily, Savona, and Marseille. Beautiful places I used to only dream about. I wasn't working on a ship, I wasn't serving tables, I wasn't cleaning cabins, I was just enjoying life with my family, waking up every morning in a different country. And here's the crazy part. While I was on that cruise, I was sharing my videos and photos on my social medias, just like anyone would do. Sunset, the food and the gym, the ports, the balcony views. And people started messaging me, without me selling anything, without me asking, hey Miro, how much was that cruise? How did you get a price? Is it really this cheap? Can I join? How does this work? I wasn't even trying. Then the same thing happened on my second cruise. This time to the Canary Islands, Lanzarote, Tenerife, Las Palmas, Madeira. I was sharing my trip and again people kept asking questions. That's when it hit me. Your travel becomes your marketing. Your lifestyle becomes your story. Your story becomes your business. I wasn't working harder, I was simply living my life, and people got inspired and curious about it. And here's what really blew my mind. Our third cruise is going to be completely free. Not discounted, not cheaper, completely free for us, out of pocket. We are booking it using our reward points. No cash coming out of our account. We earn those points through our membership and the bonuses we receive as we share this lifestyle and help people save on travel. That's the moment I realized I can earn with the cruise industry without sacrificing my family, my time, or my health, and I can travel for free while doing it. That's when everything changed for me. This is exactly why I'm making this video today. This business isn't for special people. It's for normal people, for those who are tired of being away, for single parents needing flexibility, employees wanting a side income, teachers wanting extra money, retirees wanting purpose and travel, baristas, freelancers, anyone wanting more, or people who want more time with family, more money without trading away their life, more freedom to choose, more travel experiences, and hope again. If that's you, this is worth paying attention to. Here's the truth. Nothing changes until you change something. You can keep applying for cruise ship jobs in 2026, keep competing with thousands, keep hoping for approval, keep being away 6 to 9 months at a time, and keep missing moments you can never get back. Or you can become a partner, work from home and travel more, earn more, stay with your family, build something that's actually yours. The choice is yours, but one path keeps you stuck, the other gives you freedom. If this video made sense to you, and if you want to learn this business step by step and have someone guide you hand by hand, then send me a message. Go to my Instagram or Facebook and tell me, Miro, I want the info. If we are a good fit, I will personally guide you and give you all my messaging scripts, ready-made templates, my daily 60-minute workflow, and simple follow-up system and ready-to-send videos. No pressure, no hype, just a real conversation between two people. Your life can look completely different this year, but it starts with one small message. You don't need to work on a ships to earn with in cruise industry. There is a smarter way now, a freer way, a way where you keep your life. And if you are ready for it, I'm here to help you every step of the way. See you in the next video.